Are you tired and frustrated on your dependency towards our national electricity supplier, where you receive high electricity bills in spite of being without electricity due to load shedding? What is your future outlook regarding reliable power supply and alternative energy solutions? Do you have accurate information to make an informative decision towards the best solution for you? We at Solar Juice would like to educate, inform and provide sound information for you to have the best understanding towards solar energy and how we can assist you in becoming self-sufficient in those times where uncertainty towards power supply is at an all-time high. The questions you need to ask yourself are as follows. Would you like to power the essential appliances giving you peace of mind when without electricity from the national grid? Maybe you would like to power both essential and non-essential power points, creating a complete system that will guarantee your power supply when the rest of your neighborhood is without power. Or a system that assists you in the reduction of your current electrical bill. Many options need to be ascertained and calculated correctly before deciding on the best solution for you. The first step would be to calculate your usage, the number of units you are currently using over a 12-month period, taking all seasonal usage into account. Step 2. Solar Juice will calculate, design and present a turnkey solution to cover your monthly usage. And Step 3. We calculate a viable financial plan to assist you in various options of installation, where we can build and install a system, create a plan to integrate a solution over various stages, allowing for the best option available for your financial budget. Make the right choice, where qualified, certified and professional service is key in having the best results for you and all your electricity requirements. For more information, please call Leon Needham on 083 384 3840 or email leon.needham@solarjuice.co.za.